Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie Movesets. In this tutorial, we will break down the key concepts and provide practical examples to help you understand the different movesets and how to use them effectively. First, let's start with the basics. In Axie Infinity, each Axie has 4 moves that make up its moveset. These moves are crucial in determining the Axie's overall strength and playstyle. There are 3 main types of moves: attack, defense, and support. Attack moves deal damage to the opponent's Axie, while defense moves protect your Axie from damage. Support moves provide utility and can turn the tide of battle in your favor. Understanding the different types of moves and how they interact with each other is essential to creating a well-rounded moveset. When building a moveset, consider the Axie's attributes, such as its health, speed, and morale. For example, if an Axie has high health, it can afford to take more risks and use attack moves that deal more damage. On the other hand, if an Axie has low health, it's better to focus on defense moves that protect it from damage. Another important concept is synergy. Synergy refers to how well the different moves in a moveset work together. A good moveset should have a balance of attack, defense, and support moves that complement each other. For example, a moveset that includes a high damage attack move and a support move that increases the Axie's speed can be very effective. In terms of best practices, it's essential to experiment with different movesets and find what works best for your Axie. Don't be afraid to try out new moves and combinations to see how they perform in battle. Additionally, consider the metagame and adjust your moveset accordingly. The metagame refers to the current trends and popular strategies in the game, and adapting to it can give you a competitive edge. In conclusion, creating an effective Axie moveset requires a deep understanding of the different types of moves, synergy, and the Axie's attributes. By following these tips and best practices, you can create a well-rounded moveset that helps you succeed in Axie Infinity. Remember to stay flexible and adapt to the metagame. And don't be afraid to experiment and try out new moves and combinations. With practice and patience, you can become a master of Axie Infinity and take your gameplay to the next level.